In this video, we're going to break down the lighting of a portrait. I'll talk about why I lit it that way, how I lit it that way, and hopefully this will help you with your own portraiture. So this shot was taken during a demonstration live at Adorama. Dave, my great friend who always helped me, photographer, filmmaker, he's got just a great face for this. We brought him in and we kind of wanted to create a three-dimensional look using two lights. Real dramatic, real simple. And this is just taken in front of a crowd and an audience in a store. We basically had a gray background behind him. We made sure that no light hit the background, and then I simply lit him using two lights. Both of them are more or less coming from the back. To the right side, where you see his eye lit up, camera right, not his right, that's lit with a beauty dish. The beauty dish is slightly underexposed, and it has a grid on it to control where it falls. It's real close to his face, so it creates a very, very cool catch light, which people love, right? But also fast fall off. So we have this like gentle light across his face because it's so close, which means it's big, which means it's soft, but then it quickly falls to shadow for the mystery. But if we didn't have a secondary light in there, you would lose the beautiful shape of his chin. You'd lose just lots of the feeling. So I brought a second light in, a softbox, what's called a strip box. So a narrow softbox behind him, pushing the light forward, adding some detail to that side of his face. I went against conventional wisdom and I made the effectively hair light brighter than my key light. Usually the key light, which is your main light on your subject, is usually the brightest, or at least the one that draws your eye first. But this way, I felt like this mystery, right? The first thing your eye is going to see is this bright spot. You're going to go to it and you're going to immediately see darkness. And you're going to start looking for his eye. And then you'll drift across and you'll see that nice bright eye there and you'll see the attitude. So this creates a very kind of noirish feel. It's not really lit like a noir shot, but it has that kind of feel. And really fun to do and not hard, just two lights, a softbox and a beauty dish. You could do it with any number of modifiers, but what I used will be listed down in the description. You can find links to them if you want to look them up. Also in the description is a link to my Discord server. You can join the server, chat about photography with other enthusiasts. You can support my channel on Patreon. There's a link to that in the description as well. Make sure you like the video, subscribe to the channel, and ring the bell so you get notifications. You can see all these videos as they're coming out, and I'll talk to you soon.